Good evening, America. Your candidate, Jared Valdez for Congress. I am coming here today to give you my last update before the election this fall. Either I am an independent running or a Democrat. I see you. I see both sides. This is a dark version of America, one where the worst instincts of all of us have come to manifestation. We need to wake up and start electing people who actually represent the majority of us. Democrats are on track to take back the government this fall, and we would do so overwhelmingly. We took to the streets by millions of people over the last 2 years, and now is our time to show up and not be intimidated, but be bold in our convictions and our ability to see through the deceit, and empowered by our ability to keep showing up against the lies and the hate. This fall, vote Valdez for Congress. Write my name in, and I will fight every day for your family and mine alike. To fight for the underdog who is always counted out. This is our fight. This is your fight. God bless the United States of America, and go to my website at jaredvaldez.com to donate to our campaign, empowered by people like you all across America. Thank you and have a good night.